Tired of invoice chaos? Let's transform your billing nightmares into a breeze with NetSuite. First, hover over Transactions, then click Sales, and select Create Invoices. This will take you to the invoice creation page. Now, in the Customer field, either type in the customer's name or select them from the drop-down list. NetSuite automatically populates related information like billing address. Verify the date is correct and choose the appropriate payment terms from the drop-down. This defines when the invoice is due. Next, under the Items section, select the item being billed from the drop-down, enter the quantity and price. NetSuite calculates the amount automatically. You can add multiple line items as needed. If applicable, NetSuite will automatically calculate the tax based on your configuration. You can also customize the invoice appearance under the Customization tab to match your branding. Use the Memo field to add any important notes for the customer. Once you're satisfied, click Save and that's it. You've successfully created a professional invoice in NetSuite. You can now print, email, or download the invoice directly from NetSuite, streamlining your billing process and improving your financial management. Happy invoicing!